So hold that thought. So you thought the video was over with regards to the DIY. This is the Enthusiast Garage. We do things a little bit more different. But before we continue in today's video, I would like to give a good and a warm thank you to today's supplier of parts, Vees Automotive. They're based in Wielligh Street. He executed upon the design that I had for this particular pipe, and yeah, thanks Vees for the continuous good products, and hopefully we can continue to do business in the future. So this is the Enthusiast Garage way of how we build a pipe when it comes to making stuff last a very long time, and this is the final product. So as you can see, here's still the aluminium fitting on this side here. We then threaded the inner part of the fitting and used an FTF fitting on the inside. I think this is an AN10 with a screw-on fitting that will house the actual cap. A stainless steel pipe, bendable pipe, that will then connect to the water pump itself. If we put the two sides to side, we can see the difference between the two. And this will last forever. So the installation of this here would be first connect this to the water pump and then take this back to the head itself. So the flaw on the design on the BMW part is this plastic cardboard type of fitting that resides here. This tends to break, but now we've replaced it with an aluminium one so far. If you guys looking to purchase any of these items, drop me a PM. I'll be able to make these for you, and yeah, you'll have a long-lasting fitting for the rest of your life. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on this particular DIY. Catch you on the next one.